The naked eye misses more than you think. Whether you're inspecting electronics, exploring nature, checking coin details, or doing hobby work that demands precision, a handheld digital microscope opens up a world you can't see otherwise. In 2026, the best ones are genuinely impressive for the price. I tested 5 of the best, so you pick the right one. Let's get into it. The Elikliv digital microscope is a versatile, well-rounded handheld option that covers a broad range of magnification levels for everyday inspection needs. The adjustable magnification handles everything from low-power surface inspection to higher-power detail work, and the built-in LED lighting illuminates subjects clearly for consistent image quality regardless of ambient lighting conditions. The USB connection pairs with both PC and Mac for live viewing and image capture, and the included software makes saving and reviewing images genuinely straightforward. The semi-rigid stand holds the microscope at a stable working distance, reducing hand tremor during detailed inspection work. The compact, lightweight design makes it genuinely portable for use across different locations, and the sturdy build quality holds up to regular handling. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and select Android devices, it's broadly versatile across different setups. For hobbyists, students, and curious users who want a capable entry-level digital microscope for general inspection and exploration, the Elikliv is a genuinely solid, accessible starting point on this entire list. The SKYBASIC digital microscope delivers one of the widest magnification ranges on this list, spanning 50 times to 1,000 times, covering casual surface inspection at the low end and genuine detail-level examination at the high end. 8 adjustable LED lights provide even, controllable illumination across subjects, and the brightness adjustment accommodates different materials and magnification levels without washing out or underlighting. The large, smooth focus wheel allows precise depth adjustment without jerky movement that blurs images. USB connectivity pairs with PC, Mac, and Android devices for live viewing, image capture, and video recording. The flexible, adjustable stand positions the microscope at various heights and angles for different specimen types and working positions. The 2-megapixel image sensor captures clear, detailed stills and video at manageable file sizes for sharing and archiving. For educators, coin collectors, electronics hobbyists, and anyone who needs genuine magnification range from macroscopic viewing down to fine detail, the SKYBASIC is one of the most versatile handheld digital microscopes at this price on this entire list. The Carson MicroFlip is the most genuinely pocket-portable microscope on this list, and its unique flippable design allows use as both a standard handheld microscope and a slide microscope simply by rotating the lens assembly. This dual configuration flexibility makes it far more versatile than single orientation competitors at the same price. The 100 times to 250 times magnification range is well suited to biology specimens, textile inspection, skin and hair examination, and general surface detail work. A built-in UV light adds inspection capability beyond standard white LED illumination, useful for certain materials and authenticity checking applications. The compact, rugged design clips to a shirt pocket or slips into a bag, making it genuinely take-anywhere portable without bulk. USB connectivity allows live viewing on a computer, and the included smartphone clip enables direct capture using your phone camera. For students, outdoor enthusiasts, science teachers, and anyone who wants genuine portability with flexible viewing configurations, the Carson MicroFlip is the most uniquely practical, most carry-anywhere pick on this entire list. The TAKMLY USB digital microscope is the practical desktop option that balances strong image quality with genuinely simple everyday usability. The adjustable magnification covers a solid range for electronics inspection, PCB work, jewelry examination, and hobby crafts, and the 8 controllable LED lights provide even illumination that reduces harsh shadows on textured surfaces. The stable metal stand holds the microscope at consistent working distances without drift or slippage, a meaningful advantage over cheaper plastic stands that shift during use. USB plug-and-play connectivity works immediately across Windows, Mac, and Android without driver installation. getting you viewing in seconds. The image sensor captures clear, detailed stills and video for documentation and sharing. The flexible positioning arm allows working distance and angle adjustment for different specimen sizes and shapes. Compact and lightweight, the unit stores easily when not in use and travels well for work across different locations. For electronics hobbyists, repairers, jewelers, and anyone doing precise detail work that demands steady, well-lit magnification, the TAKMLY is a genuinely reliable, practical choice on this entire list. Closing out the list with the TOMLOV DM9, the most feature-rich handheld digital microscope on this list, combining strong magnification with a built-in screen that removes the need for a connected device entirely. The integrated 4.3-inch LCD display lets you view, capture, and review images without a laptop or smartphone nearby, making it genuinely field portable for outdoor, workshop, and classroom use. Adjustable magnification covers a wide range for both close surface inspection and higher detail work, and the controllable LED ring illumination adapts to different materials and magnification levels. Image and video capture saves directly to a micro SD card, and USB connectivity allows connection to a PC when needed. The metal construction feels substantially more premium than plastic-bodied competitors, and the stable stand provides consistent working distance for repeatable inspection results. Battery-powered operation means no tethered power requirement during standalone use. For professionals, educators, and serious hobbyists who want completely standalone portable digital microscopy without needing a connected device, the TOMLOV DM9 is the most self-sufficient, most capable pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because gadget deals move fast. If this helped you find the right digital microscope, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech and gadget reviews every week. See you in the next one.